how to change spending limit for Instagram ads. So if you go to your Instagram app and then you go to your settings, so as you can see, I have here on the right side Instagram opened. So if you go to the settings and then scroll down to control the creator tools and controls, and then you go to add payments, here you should see that you have a limit. So if you select your account, so as you can see, this is my current balance. I have $0 in my balance, and if you have here any payment methods, you're gonna see that your account is limited. So in order to get rid of this limitation, you're gonna have to simply use Meta Ads. So you're gonna have to simply open any browser. So as you can see here on the left side, I have Google opened. So simply search for Meta Ads and then simply click on Meta for Business. Then you're gonna get redirected here. So basically here you're gonna be able to set up your Instagram ads, and you can basically get the same results but way cheaper if you use this platform. This is their official platform, so you don't have to worry about this. So simply click on create ad, and then you're gonna get redirected to the ads manager page here. So simply click on get started. Now here you're gonna have to simply choose your industry and then click on next. Then you're gonna have to simply connect any page. So I'm gonna go with, so let's see if I can go. So if you want, you can add a page. Now, as you can see here, you're gonna have to add your payment method. So I'm not gonna do that right now. And now here you're gonna have to set up your campaign. So if you want, you can simply choose what do you want. So you want leads, you want messages and engagement, you want awareness of your brand, online traffic, etc. So let's say I want awareness. So as you can see, this is good for broader audience reach, brand recognition. So simply click on next after you select your category, and then you're gonna get redirected here. So here you're gonna have to start creating your ad. So here, as you can see, you can simply create multiple ads. So as you can see here, you have the buying type. So here is awareness. So if you want leads, you're gonna have to select this, and basically this will add a button to your ad. So I'm not gonna do that right now. Simply click on next, and then here what you're gonna have to do is simply enter how much you want to spend. Basically, as you can see here, it's your daily budget, and here you're gonna see how much, as you can see, traffic you'll get for this much spending. So as you can see, you're gonna spend €5 per day, and you can reach up to 10 million persons. As you can see, daily results 12 to 30 thousands per day with €5. So basically, this is how you can remove limitations, and this is how I suggest you to set up your Instagram ads. So after you make changes to the ad, so you create your ad, you're gonna be able to choose where you want to basically post this ad. So you're gonna have the option to add this to Facebook, Messenger, or Instagram. So you're gonna have to simply choose only Messenger, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.